It's day 3 here at Gartner Data and Analytics, and the conference is drawing to a close. The exhibit floor has a little less traffic. The vendors are starting to pack up their booths and move out to the next conference, I guess, to the next event for them. So it's time to reflect a little on what we've heard this week. So first of all, the overwhelming topic at the conference has been AI, and that has, I think, outcompeted pretty much every other idea in terms of mind share. So I wouldn't say that every session has been about AI, but it is the overwhelming topic of interest here. And I think people are genuinely interested in it, and they have come to find out more about it. There's a little bit of FOMO in the air about AI, that enterprises are worried about missing out, or they need to know more to kind of construct their AI strategy. So it served a good purpose for that. And to be frank, a lot of very good discussion has been had, and a lot of the vendors here are oriented to AI. So that's also helpful to the attendees. In terms of other topics, there's less this year just because of AI about things like data privacy, data products, data mesh, master data management, data quality. But these do come up in the context of the discussions about AI, because I'm not sure if intelligence is even the right term to use for it, because what we're doing, it's kind of more like a knowledge management set of products where you need data to go into our AI systems for them to work. So all of these problems like data quality and master data management do matter, and so they are being discussed in context. But within those discussions, what I have noticed, and other attendees have commented on this to me, is that data governance and AI governance are very prominent. So practically every session is talking about data governance and the need for it, and AI governance, and actually AI literacy too. So the realm of data governance has kind of increased to cover AI governance and AI literacy, although these are new, they're novel, they're different to traditional data governance. But nevertheless, we're looking to the data governance organizations to put these into practice. And the interesting idea, maybe challenge really, is for data governance teams to be able to extend the support that they can provide to all of the AI development projects that are going on in enterprises. It's still early days in the sense that a lot of organizations appear to be just grappling with the technology and getting that to work. And this has also been brought up, that there's a rush by developers, quite honestly, to get familiar with the tools. And we see this when new generations of technology come along. They want to get familiar with the tools because they perceive if they don't, they'll be out of a job. So they've got a different set perhaps of incentives that they're working with. So we do need to get data governance including its AI governance and AI literary extensions into these teams. So that's been a big topic, and I'm really glad that Gartner has emphasized that so much. What was not dealt with perhaps is the, grappling with the legacy architectures we have, legacy hardware, software architectures, data architectures. The data is locked up in these environments, and now it's even more vital to unlock the data from these environments and bring it into the AI solutions that people are building. And very often these legacy systems exist because they have the most important data. That's why they haven't gone away. So that's a challenge too, but not one that was, I think, addressed, and I'm not criticizing anybody for that, but it's more of a need that we need to think about. Breaking down data silos was addressed, but I think the idea of how do we deal with legacy data as a whole is something that's going to have to be grappled with in the near term in order to make AI a success. Again, AI is just the overwhelming theme here, which I think is fine. And it will be very interesting to see what develops in the next year and what the 2025 Gartner Data and Analytics Conference will bring.